So guys, இது வந்து ஒரு calculus நான் raw dog பண்ண போறேன். So yeah, I'm not really going to show the actual video. The video is going to be on my TV and on my phone. And yeah, I'm just going to do the sums. Bear with me for a second. I'm looking for a man in finance. Trust fund. 6 foot. Blue eyes. Finance. Trust fund. Okay. Let's do another one. Call it calculus. What color? This color? Yeah. Okay. Let's do another folder. Name it pre-calc. Fuck. Pre-calc is gonna be somewhat of a refresher for me, so hopefully it's a 5-hour long video. Hopefully it takes me like 5 hours at least. Shut up. Pre-calc. Notebook. What's the best notebook? I mean, outline. Yo, so cool. Okay, let's keep it that one. Writing paper, essential, music, planner. Let's. Should I do? I think this is the right one to do it, but I don't know how to use it though. For now, we'll keep it blank. Dotted paper. Oh. I just want to fucking hit. What should I do? I should go this probably. Yeah, why not? The fuck is this? I don't need this. How do I close this? Okay. Let me get my water really quick. Water break. Okay. Let's get started. So it says, okay. So it says y is equal to, I need to actually it says y is equal to x square plus 1, which also can be written as, this can also be written as, okay, let's calc, okay, which can also be written as f of x is equal to, yeah, we know this, both are like similar. So enna kekrana, what is this thing? Should be easy. Okay, this is so fucking this is 5. Okay, what is f of a plus 3? This should be, bro, this is so tough. Plus 6a plus 9, okay, 10. Okay, so that's the first. Okay, definition. And what is a function? Bro, I might need like a new page. What is this? Yeah, whatever. Let's go blank page. Oh, I need. Okay. A function is a correspondence between input numbers x values and output numbers y values that sends each input number x value to the exact one output number y value. Sometimes the function can be described with an equation. So this right here, y is equal to x plus, this is a function, yeah, that can be represented with this shit. Again, interesting. Bro, that is so embarrassing. It's actually 26. Fucking kidding me. I got this right, but oh, I need to give up. Okay. Sometimes a function, this is where the interesting bit comes in. Alright, functions here. Where the fuck the function? Who's gonna tell you? Okay. Sometimes it can be represented in a graph. Now that's the real shit, right? So if you look at it, the graph is like under looks like a musical notation. Looks like that. That's actually fucking flawless. What I did right there is fucking flawless. Okay. Sometimes a function is described with a graph. Y is equal to G. Okay. Shown below. என்ன கேட்குறாங்கன்னா இதோட வேல்யூ என்னன்னு கேட்குறாங்க. அப்புறம் இதோட வேல்யூ என்னன்னு கேட்குறாங்க. எனக்கு எப்படா தெரியும்? எனக்கு எப்படி சார் தெரியும்? இந்த கிராஃபை பார்த்து என்னால் எப்படி கண்டுபிடிக்க முடியும் சார்? எப்படி கண்டுபிடிக்க முடியும்? I just had like a really good idea. What should I do? Should I Yeah. Yeah, give me a second though. Give me a second. I'm gonna. How do I connect it though? Nah. It's alright. It's alright. You guys don't need to see this. You don't need this. I could do this maybe. Verse. It's not working. Waste the time. So she made an interesting point about functions where a circle is not a function because it's like the ஒரு பாம்பு வந்து அதோட வாலையே சாப்பிட்டு முழுங்குற ஒரு சிம்பிள் இருக்கும் பாத்தீங்களா. I think it's something to do with that. That's the dumbest shit that I've said. Okay, whatever. That's the dumbest shit that I've ever said. Okay, so yeah, it intersects in 2 points, giving it like 2 solutions, and not only that, it's not a function for some reason. I don't know why. That's just my theory though. In the பாம்பு அதோட வாலை சாப்பிட்டு அந்த symbolismனால it's not a that's the dumbest shit that I've said. Yeah, she calls it the vertical line test. So g of 2 would be like, you just have to find the 2 value in the y-axis. So this way we're going to talk about the domain and the range. Let's have this here. I just find it like really annoying, so what should I do? Yeah, I could do that. At least you guys can hear what's going on. Procrastination. Not actually doing the thing that I'm supposed to do. Just hello, hello, can you hear me? Hello? I should have thought this through. This is getting annoying. Getting annoying. Okay. Fuck. Haven't done shit. I'm trying to get this shit done. Fucking hell. Can I just... Yeah, fuck it. Let's, mission abort. Mission abort. Fuck it, we do it live. We do it live. fuck is this? No, 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 no. Let's go here. I need to do all my own sums, own sums. Okay. Pre-calc.
Possible output that violates this rule of function out a value of f of x or y. For example, plug in 5 for x, so that's going to be 5 squared plus 1. It's important to keep the parentheses when you plug in for x. That way, you evaluate the function on the whole expression.
Americans are so fucking dumb.
The vertical line test. You can
Yeah,
draw a vertical line, and it'll intersect the graph in more than one point. But our graph at left satisfies the vertical line test. Any vertical line intersects the graph in at most one point. That means it's a function because every x value will have at most one y value that corresponds to it. Let's evaluate.
So my question is, so let's draw a line where it is like this, right? Oh shit. Don't do that, bro. Why is reality so messy? If it's like this, and if I draw a vertical line this way, it intersects in 2 points, right? What does that mean? Who knows? Who knows, right? These questions are like a question that a 5-year-old might ask.
Note that 2 is an x value.
Okay.
And we'll use the graph to find the corresponding y value.
Mm-hmm.
So I look for 2 on the x-axis and find the point on the graph that has that x value. It's right here. Now I can look at the y value of that point. It's like 3, and therefore g of 2 is equal to 3. If I try to do the same thing to evaluate g of 5, I run into trouble. 5 is an x value. I look for it on the x-axis, but there's no point on the graph.
So it's undefined. Okay.
For that function.
So the domain of a function is all possible x values. The range is all the entire range of functions that could be that is possible, I think. And the domain of a function is all possible x values, meaning let's say all of the outputs, so to speak. So that's the domain that you're working in. Okay, this is the range that is possible, and this is the domain that we're working in. A little bit of semantics there.
Y value makes sense for a function. In this example, we saw that the x value of 5 didn't have a corresponding y value for this function. So the x value of 5 is not in the domain of our function g. To find the x value in the domain, we have to look at the x values that correspond to points on the graph. When we do that, we take the shadow or projection of the graph onto the x-axis and see what x values are.
Yep.
Looks like we're hitting all x values starting at -8 and continuing up to 4. So our domain is the x's between -8 and 4, including those endpoints. Or we can write this in interval notation as -8, 4 with square brackets. To find the range of the function, we look for the y values corresponding to points on the graph. We can do that by taking the shadow or projection of the graph onto the y-axis. We seem to be hitting all y values from -5 up through 3. So our range is y between -5 and 3 from interval notation -5, 3 with square brackets. If we need a function that
Okay, let's do this.
describes an equation that
Let's do this shit. Okay. It's gonna switch up on me though. Okay, x g of x is equal to x squared, what is it, minus 4x plus 3. So what should I do? What are the domain? Domain meaning all the y values, all of the values of the function. Is that the domain? Yeah. That's the domain, right? Yeah. All the x values. Oh, okay. All of the x values that are possible in this shit. So how do I find it? Well, what solves? Let's say x is equal to 0. I mean, it's it doesn't solve for anything. X is equal to 1. How do I like find out? Should I just randomly? How can I find the domain? I think it's 0 to. What should I start putting it in? This is like easy thing, but I need like a refresher. X by x squared minus x 4x plus 3 is equal to what? Let's say if it's 1, right? If it's 1 everywhere, it's 0. If it's 2, okay, it's 2 till infinity. Then I don't know. Let's see. Same with this thing.
One way to find the domain and range are to graph the function. But it's often possible to find the domain at least more quickly by using algebraic considerations. We think about what x values it makes sense to plug into this expression and what x values need to be excluded because they make the algebraic expression impossible to evaluate. Specifically, to find the domain of a function, we need to exclude x values that make the denominator 0 because we can't divide by 0.
Yeah, that's what I did.
That make an expression inside a square root sign negative, since we can't take the square root of a negative number. In fact, we need to exclude values that make an expression inside any even root negative. We can't take an even root of a negative number, even though we can take an odd root of a cube root of a negative number. Later, when we look at logarithmic functions, we'll have some additional exclusions that we have to make. But for now, these two principles can handle all functions we'll see. So let's apply them for a couple examples. For the function in part A, we don't have any square root sign, but we do have a denominator. So we need to exclude x values that make the denominator 0. In other words, we need x squared minus 4x plus 3 to not be equal to 0. If we solve x squared minus 4x plus 3 equal to 0, we can do that by factoring. And that gives us x equals 3 or x equals 1, so we need to exclude these values. All other x values should be fine, so if I draw the number line, I can put on 1 and 3 and just dig out a hole at both of those, and my domain includes everything else on the number line. In interval notation, this means my domain is everything from negative infinity to 1, together with everything from 1 to 3, together with everything from 3 to infinity. In this second example, we don't have any denominator to worry about, but we do have a square root sign. So we need to exclude any x values that make 3 minus 2x less than 0. In other words, we can include...
Oh, should I just equate that shit to 0? What the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck? Yo, cuz, what the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck am I looking at, cuz? What are we doing again? I don't know. I'm missing the plot already.
Solving that inequality gives us 3 is greater than equal to 2x. In other words, x is less than or equal to 3 halves. I can draw this on the number line, or write it in interval notation. Notice that 3 halves is included, and that's because 3 minus 2x is allowed to be 0. I can take the square root of 0 if it's 0, and that's not a problem. Finally, let's look at a more complicated function that involves both 2x is allowed to be overrated in interval notation.
So the domain is... That just mean everything, doesn't it? So the domain is everything. I think it's exclude these two. Yeah. Okay. Because when you plug 1 into that shit, you just equate that shit to 0. Okay, let's try that again. So we're trying to find that for f of x is equal to square root of 2x minus 3. Is that what it is? No. Minus 2. So what do I do? So first step would be to equate that shit to 0. I don't know why this shit goes away. So x is equal to 3 by 2. So x cannot be, if x is 3 by 2, then the function becomes 0. Then y becomes 0, right? When x is 2 by 3, let's say it's here, the function becomes, the y becomes 0. So it could be like whatever, something like that. I mean, I'm just like making it up, but yeah. Yeah, so why is the minus? I don't get the minus thing. Exclude, I don't get the minus thing though. Where's the minus? Okay, let's just move on.
Is included, and that's because 3 minus 2x is allowed to be 0. I can take the square root of 0 if it's 0, and that's not a problem. Finally, let's look at a more complicated function that involves both the square root and the denominator. Now there are two things I need to worry about.
Oh yeah. The square root cannot be minus. So if it's minus something, it's not possible. Okay. When it goes to the other side, it becomes this. Oh, okay. Okay.
I need the denominator to not be equal to 0.
So yeah, we're first going to equate it to 0. So let's h of x is equal to square root of 3x minus 2 and yeah, 4x x is square is equal to 4x plus 2. No, 4x plus 3, right? So we're going to equate that shit to 0 first. No, it's going to be and what else? What is happening? What is happening? Well, this should be this one, right? Oh, we're equating that shit to 0. So yeah, okay. It's the same thing, isn't it? X is equal to 2 by 3. So the domain would be minus thing to. Think so.
0, and I need the stuff inside the square root sign to be greater than or equal to 0. From our earlier work, we know the first condition means that x is not equal to 3 and x is not equal to 1, and the second condition means that x is less than or equal to 3 halves. Let's start both of those conditions on the number line. X is not equal to 3 and x is not equal to 1 means we've got everything except those two red-out points, and the other condition, x is less than or equal to 3 halves, means we can have 3 halves and everything to the left of it. Now to do our domain and to be legit for our function, we need both of these conditions to be true. I'm going to connect these conditions with an and that means we're looking for numbers on the number line that are colored both red and blue. So I'll draw that above in purple. We've got everything from 3 halves to 1. I have to dig out 1 because 1 was a problem for the denominator, and then I can continue for all the things that are colored both colors red and blue. So my final domain is going to be, let's see, negative infinity up to but not including 1 together with 1 but not including it to 3 halves, and I include 3 halves. So that was colored both red and blue also.
Okay, we just need to add it. We just add we need to add the domain. So it's like a union thing, isn't it? Okay.
Including 1 together with 1, but not including it, 2, 3 halves, and I include 3 halves since that was probably going to do also. In this video, we talk about functions, how to evaluate them, and how to find domains and ranges. This video is a brief introduction to increasing and decreasing functions based on their blocks.
All trigonometry. Oh fuck! Why am I so tempted to click on other things? I'm not gonna do it though. I'm a loyal man. So, yeah, increasing and decreasing function. Let's. Can I programmatically like get like 100 pages? Get like 100 pages. I mean, it is a process. Okay. We are looking at increasing and decreasing function. This is at the heart of everything that we're going to learn. Oh, okay, increasing and decreasing function. Let's. I'm going to grab my coffee really quick. All my niggas, Nazis, nigga, hard hitting, nigga. Oh, guys, give me a second. I'm getting distracted already. Yo, check it, check it, check it, check it. 1 2 3, 1 2 3. All my niggas, where you be? Where you be? Check it, yo, check it. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, dun, dun. Yay! All my niggas not this nigga. Guys, I'm just procrastinating. I'm just looking at all of my all my niggas. Yo, the knee of my waffle maker smoothie. Chicago. It's getting hard, yeah. That's all I know. Oh fuck, whatever. I'm distracted again. Fuck. Okay, let's go.
In this first example, I'll draft 2 lines. The first line is the freezing function, because as the x values go from left to
Bro, I'm so in the low, man. What the fuck? There's calculus. How long will it take to master calculus? Let's do a rough estimate. Calculus. Question mark? Let's see. Hallelujah. Got it. You mean calculus, the depth of base of undergrad master and student calculus, co-calculus, limits. Fuck. I'm still doing pre-calc. Oh my god, I'm finished. I'm done, Welcome
to the freecodecamp.org YouTube channel.
Okay, where is the math thing? DevOps. You got a course for being a DevOps engineer? What the fuck?
Hey, this is it.
Bro. Don't make me angry, bro. Don't make me angry. That's all I'm gonna say. Bro, I'm just gonna... What the fuck am I doing? Such a stupid idea. Fuck. Should have done something else. Yeah, I'm just gonna go back to yellow. This is like stupid.